Hi guys, welcome back to another video and really good to know that you all have been really liking the Kaido House videos and all the BBR and all latest stuff from Mini GT. उसमें ही एक काफी मजेदार एक ये भी आया है. This is the James Bond car. So one thing which I get a lot is कि प्रोटेक्टर्स आप लोगों को चाहिए थे एंड आई रिसीव्ड अ लॉट ऑफ कमेंट्स अबाउट दिस. मतलब कमेंट सेक्शन में जाके सर्च करूंगा एटलीस्ट 25-50 कमेंट्स ओवर द लास्ट 1-2 months. आई टोल्ड यू कि आई एम लुकिंग फॉर ऑप्शंस एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट अभी इंडिया में हॉबी चूंकि डेवलप हो रही है, नॉट टू मेनी ऑप्शंस विच आई फाउंड. एक दो चलो ठीक है, मान लो आपको एक ट्रेजर हंट या सुपर ट्रेजर हंट मिली विच यू वांट टू कीप इन अ प्रोटेक्टर, मे बी समवन कैन गिव यू फ्रॉम देयर पर्सनल कलेक्शन. बट अगर आप चाहते हो कि no, I want a lot of them to keep my cars, my special cars and all of it, so it's a little difficult to find those. Anyway, today I've got 3 protectors to show you from different places. Pricing क्या कैसा है वो भी मैं आपको बताऊंगा, source भी बताऊंगा, so that you have a basic idea and if you are really interested you can look into it at least. सबसे पहले I'll show you this one. This is a main line protector. तो प्रोटेक्टर होता क्या है ये भी आप लोगों के मन में सवाल होगा कि what exactly is a protector. अभी ये प्रोटेक्टर मैं आपको खोल के ऐसे दिखाता हूँ. टारमैक वर्क्स वगैरह की आपने गाड़ियां देखी होंगी, उनकी ऐसे पैकेजिंग आती है. पहले आपका एक ब्लिस्टर होता है, ब्लिस्टर के अंदर से आपकी गाड़ी निकलती है. तो इसके अंदर से गाड़ी एग्जैक्टली नहीं निकलती है, इसके अंदर से आपका कार्ड निकलता है. बिकॉज यू नो दिस इज अ Mazda 787 सुपर ट्रेजर हंट. इफ यू डू नॉट नो व्हाट इज अ सुपर ट्रेजर हंट, यू कैन गो वॉच माई वीडियो अबाउट दैट इन विच आई एक्सप्लेन्ड द ट्रेजर हंट्स एंड द सुपर ट्रेजर हंट्स, सो दैट विल गिव यू अ वेरी गुड आइडिया. नाउ अनदर थिंग हियर इज की a lot of the people say कि cars are meant to be opened and played with. तो एक तो आप उसको कार्डबोर्ड में रखते हो, ऊपर से आप एक और लेयर ऑफ प्रोटेक्शन ऐड करते हो प्रोटेक्टर का. ऑल माई ईयर्स ऑफ मेकिंग वीडियोस आई हैव नेवर बॉदर्ड टू प्रीच कि बिकॉज आई डू दिस यू शुड ऑल्सो डू दिस, या फिर दिस इज द राइट वे टू डू दिस. Let people do whatever they want to do. That's what I strictly believe in. That is why, personally speaking, I'll be honest with you, not just super treasure hunts, even my main lines, I like keeping them carded because you've seen my, this is the 18 scale collection. We've got a lot of Mini GT, Tarmac Works, LCD models, almost real of all premium brands. तो उनकी जो एक लेवल ऑफ डिटेलिंग होती है, उसके बाद आई लाइक दीज इन देयर पैकेजिंग कि ये एक छोटे से पोस्टर का काम करता है. उसमें जब आपकी गाड़ी रहती है, सो दिस लुक्स नाइस. जनरली मेरा जो डिस्प्ले है विच इज लाइक रियली पॉपुलर ऑन इंस्टाग्राम रील्स एंड ऑल, so that is carded cars hung on my wall which looks nice. But then again these are little special. इसमें कैसा है कि आपको ध्यान देना पड़ता है कि कार्ड में क्रीज ना आ जाए. उन सब चीजों के लिए आपके ये काम आता है. दिस इज द प्रोटेक्टर. हाउ टू यूज इट इज एक्चुअली प्रिटी सिंपल. यू जस्ट पुट इट लाइक दिस, you place it, it's got very good transparency, and then you snap it into place. It's got 2 slots here which snap into place, and this is it. तो ये थोड़ा आपका इसको ना, you can't really bend it. जैसे even if I'm trying, I'm unable to bend it. So this keeps it protected, and that is very important. So this is the main line protector. Then over here what we've got, this is the protector for the premium. Now इसका ब्लिस्टर थोड़ा सा क्रैक कर गया है ट्रांजिट में because it came just like this, but this also works in a similar fashion. First I'll show you all kinds of protectors and then I'll tell you the prices and all. So this is it. I just put a random casting in it. This is a Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG Coupe Black Series. It's not even a chase or anything, it's the normal one, and this is an imported one. You can see the Japanese sticker here, so it's not exactly a very common premium also. That is why I just wanted to give you guys a demo. This is what the blister looks like. It's a broad blister. Now अभी आप ये भी बोलोगे कि सीधा सोर्स बता दिया होता ये वीडियो. सो द पर्पस ऑफ दिस वीडियो इज टू शो यू. अभी जैसे मान लो मैं इसमें आपको ना ये पूरा लगा के दिखा रहा हूँ, तो लगा के आप देख सकते हो कि साइड में इसमें पैनल गैप्स कितने बच रहे हैं, वो कैसे फिट हो रही है, ढंग से फिट हो रही है कि नहीं, वो सब कुछ आप इस वीडियो में देख सकते हो. तो वॉच दिस वीडियो, गेट एन आइडिया. अगर आपको देख के लग रहा है कि नहीं, यू नो दिस मेक्स सेंस. कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि जैसे ये इसकी जो प्राइसिंग है वो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. सोर्स इज thewalkingtoy.in करके एक वेबसाइट है, उनके पास ये मिलता है. दिस वन इज आई थिंक 13,000 फॉर 249 पीसेस. 13,000 में 249 पीसेस. दे डू नॉट सेल सिंगल्स और एनीथिंग. आपको फिर उनसे खरीद के सिंगल्स अपने फ्रेंड्स को देना है या कुछ भी करना है, दैट इज योर डिस्क्रिप्शन. दे सेल एज अ बल्क आइटम. 249 pieces, 13,000 rupees. Premiums are a little more expensive, 240 pieces for 15,000 rupees, and estimated delivery is around 30th March. That was what he had conveyed a little while back. Not really sure if he's still accepting orders. You can drop them a text and check. This one is a little broad, so you'll ask me that, you know, why don't I keep all my cards in my protector, because even if I spend close to 50-70 rupees per car on a blister, still it makes a lot of financial sense. But my problem is that the setup which I have built, that is not made according to a protector. So whenever I hang on a protector, this is adding extra borders, right? This is becoming this much taller, this much wider. So my setup is going to be a little disturbed. I'll have to rearrange my whole setup if I want to add protectors to my setup. For now, this is what it looks like. So this is the fitting of the premium one. You can have a look at it from all sides and see if it suits you. Then I come on to what is probably the most special, that is this. See, Mini GT, they make some amazing blister packs. I've got a lot of blister packs which are exclusives, the USA exclusives, and then even this one, it's a James Bond and it's the Japanese card. So this is very nice, rare, exclusive, whatever you want to call it. So if you want to keep this carded and that also protected, so this comes in a very nice blister of its own. I'll just quickly show it to you. So see, this is the stock blister and this is a very high quality blister of its own. So this in itself is very strong. But if you want to add another layer of protection, then you've got this. Now this is not available in India like the Walking Toy website. That is an Indian website, but this is from a website in Singapore. Based in Singapore, it's Daily Diecast and they sell these. Exact pricing you will have to go and check, because I think currently this is an out of stock item, but whenever you find it, you can check the exact pricing. Now this is how it works and this is very snug, very nice. I mean, you can literally throw it and nothing will happen. This is very nice and sturdy. So if you've got very exclusive, special, rare, you know, some of these are chases also, like sometimes you get a chase piece in this blister packaging, so you can get a protector for that. This is pretty much it guys, short video. Just wanted to show you कि बहुत सारे ऐसे questions आते थे कि you guys wanted to see protectors, and these two, as I mentioned, in India, and needless to say, I'll always add this disclaimer कि ठीक है, damage in transit even the seller is not covering. So if you watch this video, my video is just to tell you कि यहाँ से आप ले सकते हो. फिर वो आपका प्रोडक्ट आए ना आए, इफ देयर इज एनी प्रॉब्लम, यू विल हैव टू डील ऑल ऑफ दैट डायरेक्टली विद द सेलर. माय जॉब इज ओनली टू मेक दिस वीडियोस टू हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड कि ओके, दिस प्रोडक्ट व्हाट यू आर लुकिंग फॉर, you can find it there. Basic, what you can see in the image, this is what I have received, so this is what I can show you guys, and rest. So of course, whatever the details are about this, you will have to discuss with the seller, the shipping fees, the shipping amount, damage in transit, lost in transit. Many things can happen while getting such items. For example, I'll show you what to say about others. My premium protector, it has arrived in such poor shape. Like this is gone. It just broke in transit because it came loose. Now this part broke. So these are a few challenges which you face, and I'm telling you very transparently. If it works out for you, if you really need it, you can ask them to pack it properly and ship it. Now that's all up to you. This one also, this website, I've got a partnership with them. So if you plan to get this and other items from this website, you can use my code. It's called DailyXDS5. So you get a 5% discount on your total cart value for your first order. So if you want to get this, they've got some other exciting items also. It's the Grail store. So they sell all these amazing things like chase pieces, event exclusive cars. You see that Kyosho red car which I have, the one which has lights on. So they have that for sale because that is the Tokyo Auto Salon special. That is close to 7,000 something. So if you're interested in that, the yellow one is a mainstream model, but the red one, it's a Tokyo Auto Salon special. So if you need that, you'll have to get it from there. Hope you like this video. Hope you found it helpful. Let me know what you think about it. Were you looking for protectors? Does this video help you? Should I make more like these in the future about these accessories for diecast? Let me know all of it. Thanks for watching.